Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change your Threads profile picture. Stick around till the end to learn this quick and easy way to update your profile. So let's get started. First things first, open the Threads app on your mobile device and log into your account if you have not already. Then click on profile icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen and this will take you to your profile page. On the profile page, click on edit profile and here you will see an option to update your profile picture. Here in the top right corner, alongside name, you can see this profile picture. Click on it and a menu will pop up. And here you can see we have two options. The first is to choose the picture from gallery and the other is to import it from Instagram. So you can choose the option that works for you. And once you choose the image, click on next and after this, click on done in the top right corner. And with that, you have successfully changed your Threads profile picture. That's all for today's video. Leave a comment and let us know if this is helpful. Thanks for watching.